old house. Over there yung Riverside. Yan, then up to Bagyong Landa, is washout, landslide.
Somebody lives here?
Yeah. Sa 5 person.
5 people live here.
Tapos na? Na. Ano kong import? Ayaw ba visitor? What's your name?
Ragnar.
Ragnarok. Yeah.
What's your name?
Character, CJ.
CJ.
Yeah.
Kamu tayo.
Si Huli ay isang
import.
pagkakataon.
Hello.
Like this? Over there, like this? Terya? Oh, ali video niya mo naman. Video. Yan this one.
Para malaman namin.
Ay, lalagyan nila natin. Kailangan nila. Halina. Wala mga tulang yan.
Ay, video na lang.
Video.
There's a lot of flies here.
More scatter.
And then there's more up there.
Yeah.
Wait. You know the people who live here?
Pero wala tao dito, para. Walang aso dito?
Tin, may aso.
Ayaw pa, Doc.
There's a dog over there?
Yeah.
Dalang yan ha.
Di sa dead end.
Yan na, lagi yan na. Dead end.
Hi, vlog!
No.
Kapakto niyo pati yung group namin sa trabaho. Galit na galit kumabakang sa akin namin. Sabi nila, pag nakita ko tayo sa Balibago, aalis sa tatabigay sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako.
Bilis ka na ba dito? Talakas ka na. Okay?
Okay.
Pupunta pa tayo doon? O doon?
Alala ka rin.
Dari ko, may kapadalan ka rin. Nagkaroon ka rin?
Wahang ulit dyan. Wahang ulit dyan.
Agay. Sige.
Weirdo.
Hey, dati ko!
Meron ay magkama.
Dami-dami kong picture, kailangan ko amazing.
Sino na dumaan, no?
Tayo.
Isa, Mr. Police! Police na!
Police.
Kasi kung may station na ka rin, may nakatuloy.
Uy! Uy!
Uy! Kahit patak lang sa patak ka lang.
Jay, hindi mo ko pala. Hindi mo apply.
Ayun, para kami lang.
Ha? Hindi mo apply.
Doon tayo, pag sobrang kaya pa. Na!
Ayun, para ganyan. Hop, ya.
Wait. How many... Hello? How many people live here in this house?
Ilan daw kayo dito?
4.
Nay, baka pala.
Mga apo nyo? Lahat kayo lahat? 10?
Oh!
10.
10 people live in this house. So what happens here when it rains?
What happened now? Nabagyo! No! Don't have buy something sa materials. And then put their any problem.
Anong kabayan mo? Nangasakalin.
Ano, ang gabuhayan niya is
Yeah.
nangangalakal. You put them plastic, basura.
Cycle.
That's how they have their income.
Ang salary income?
Yeah.
Weekly, monthly? Oh, daily.
Magkano daw yung
Like,
kinikita
weekly.
Weekly.
Di man umabot ng 100.
Weekly 700. Only,
700.
Yeah. Only one day 100 pesos.
And how long have they lived here?
Ilang taon na daw kayo dito?
Tayo, marap ka. Vlogger yan.
Ilan? 22 years.
22 years.
22 years.
22 years.
22 years in sacrifice. Yun ang kakalaka, recycle bin, basura, and then house. You see the house? You have a raining. You have a payong in all the house.
Yeah.
See that, brother?
Ano yan?
Taga saan ka?
Barrio, probinsya.
Marunong na libre.
Oo, konti.
Konti lang.
Province.
Romblon. Pero
Sa-
dito
sa
ako
Luzon?
kumanda.
Yeah, Luzon.
Marunong sa mga Tagalog.
By province,
Ali. Bisaya sa mo. Di ba Bisaya yung ano?
Romblon.
Romblon.
By staying,
Bisaya, yes,
since
diba?
since a childhood,
Pero
we
dito
stay
ako kumanda sa
there.
Yeah.
In Pampanga.
22.
22 years.
Can you ask her if she never wanted to go back?
Go back in
Romblon.
Romblon? Gusto mo daw bang balik sa Romblon? No.
Like,
Mas mahirap ang buhay doon. It's a very critical
marunong sa mga Tagalog.
hanap buhay.
Mas mahirap dito.
No.
Mas mahirap.
Mas mahirap
doon.
doon.
Oh.
Mas mahirap. Marunong sa mga Tagalog.
He put them money, went to, ano siya magsasaka? Farmers.
Farmers.
Yeah, and then fishing. But Pampanga, you have to collect them, then you buy. You have buy rice, bigas.
Yeah.
Yeah. But there, no have a money, no have a rice, kain ka kamote. You know kamote?
Saging.
Yeah.
Kamoting kahoy. Yeah, but
Banana.
Oh, potato.
is appear in a Romblon, kain ka kamote, but dito Pampanga, kain ka bigas. No? Yeah, but mas good in Pampanga. But to Romblon. But stay. No choice. You have to stay. You have a money, no have a money. And stay. But because do sa Romblon, it's a very poor. But in Pampanga. In Pampanga, you collect them. Plastic, bottle, you can buy and then you sell rice.
Have they had like accidents here, like fires or?
Yeah, fires, bagyo.
Like
But
the typhoon.
you stay there, no actually old house. Over there in Riverside. Yeah, and then up to Bagyong Landa, is a washout, landslide. Then all house over there is a landslide. Then atras na lang sila dito.
Like all the houses were like pushing the river.
Yeah, atras na lang sila dito. But sa house over there is a landslide. All houses.
When did that happen?
Ang Landa, Bagyo.
When? Like how many years ago?
2000 yun?
Hindi na natin natandaan.
27?
Typhoon Yolanda.
Oh.
With Typhoon Yolanda.
Yeah.
27.
27.
2007. And then people died too.
Yeah. You see, collect them. You collect them, then buy rice.
Yeah.
Plastic
Water,
budget.
handicap, and then lata.
It's the tin.
Yeah.
Alum.
You see the kitchen area?
It's the kitchen.
Yeah.
Kakalkalanin.
And they don't have
Basura.
like they don't have electricity here. They only have like this is like
No, it's a
the
solar.
solar.
Yeah.
That's the only one.
Kwarto nga rin, 5 meter kwarto.
Do they have like running
Master
water
room.
here?
Yeah.
Master bedroom.
You see?
Malupya ka patapon, yan takay na.
Oh, ay, kay Badawon mo doon. Kay Badawon.
Over there. What's over there?
Pwede mo pasok dito, te?
Oh, sige. I-open, open mo yung yung ilaw diyan. Para mauntog siya.
Oh. You see them?
It's very dark.
Ilaw bibuksan mo.
Did you know tagpi?
Yan.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, there's a second floor.
Eh, siya.
CR, over sir, CR.
CR.
It's a private CR. Second floor.
Barber.
In a gamer's chair.
Tara, huwag na natin napakita yung ganda.
Second floor.
Ayan, ewan mo siguro. Kasi the...
But they have like running water here?
Wala na tayo, patay na tayo.
Like plumbing?
No. Not running.
What are these pipes?
Pipes over there is putol, walang pambayan. Kita yung ganun po You see the cooking?
This is how they
Yeah, old. Yeah,
with
cooking
like
stove.
with coal,
Yeah,
carbon.
carbon. Carbon is only
Ay, mga tanduto ito.
yung kusina.
Oh, it's a cat.
Lion yan, lion.
It's a food. Pakain.
Siya yung kumakain ng rat. Yung eating rat over there. A murmur rat. Yeah. Did you know what osteoporosis?
No.
Osteoporosis na become a rat.
Myxomatosis.
Yeah.
What does that do? A disease.
Wala.
Wala.
You know?
Ito yung namin meron.
I saw spider webs.
Kaya di yan report day kang pasada ngayon nung salo sumaw. Kaya pa, where you from?
Europe.
Yung taga-karin mo, karang meron.
May pangarap ka ba?
Pangarap.
Karang tayo.
Yeah.
Mayroon. Business.
Business and then renovate this house
Renovate.
more and more.
Business only.
Renovate this house and then I have a running water and then electrical. It's okay. It's good for them. Also 10 people over there in the house. You see? More than 10. Isa, anong ginagatas niyan?
Bear brand.
Yung ginawa Nestogen, lactum, milk, for baby. No.
What?
Milk for baby, you know? Lactum, Nestogen, no.
No.
Oh, isa ba am? You have am? Yeah, yung kanin pinakulo. Yung rice and then cooking, then yun nilagay nila. For baby.
Bear brand.
But there's no mother or?
I have a mother but still working.
Yeah. How do you know her?
He's my close friend.
Close friends.
Since birth, since she's 12 years old.
12
He's
years
my friend. Yeah.
And you're from this neighborhood?
Neighborhood.
From here?
Pwede.
Pwede?
Yeah. Pwede mo silang
Ipinaganak ka dito?
Sila, Lobron. Kami, dito. You see the cabinet? Walang stock.
Walang stock.
Walang stock.
Google food. And also, there's no like, you don't have locks on the doors.
There's
There's no security.
no security. We have the bouncer over there.
Bouncers, yeah.
No security. All house is not no security.
May
No
mananakaw dito? Do they have problems with like thieves, robbers?
What?
May problema sa mga mananakaw?
Magnanakaw?
May?
Meron. Yan yung security is door. It's open. Door is open. We have pull out over there sa magnanakaw, di ba? Kasi no security. Bata ba, sir?
Ano ba?
Ito, mampoporeng ka rin. Security. But the people in the Philippines is hospitality and kindness. No naman magnanakaw, lalo na pagkilala. Did you know mga people? No magnanakaw. Kasi kotson.
Ano, anak? Taka na.
Dito ba? Meron tayo dito. Meron tayong kailangan dito.
Wala. This is yung merienda, okay?
Yan na.
Bodyguard, yan mga kailangan.
aso ba dito?
Aso dyan, puta. Ayun, ang aso.
Pero tayo ako ni.
Bilis!
Pero tayo ako ni. Karol. Yan o. Karol.
Garani! Garani!
Somebody lives here?
Yeah. Sa 5 person?
5 people live here.
Over there.
Alam, dalan ko.
Hindi pa, pa-video.
Yan.
Over there you see the video. No people is working, kalakal. More and more splatter area over there.
Yeah.
But
Oh, dyan na. Dun.
ano ba dyan? Kasi kam? This one. My friend, this one. Parang bulat na, parang ganda.
Dahil. Yan.
CR. CR.
Siya.
It's a kitchen area.
It's the CR.
Plastic. Did you know plastic? Put them and then throw. There you go on CR.
Wait, they put a plastic bag here and then...
Yeah. Just put them plastic in CR and then after your... Well, you just can throw. Oh, this room. Osam. This room.
Again, no door.
People is 8 people.
8 people live
Yeah,
here.
8, 10. Ilan sila rito? 8, no? Yeah. Burger.
Ito siyara pa tayo niya.
This is a cabinet area. Oh, this one is CR. This one is CR.
That's
area.
what's CR.
Yeah. No safety, no? Hanggang silip-silip na lang. Dito, no? Tara, let's go. I'm busy today. I want to over there, but I'm busy.